Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Friday the 5th of June 2015. And in the 5-minute chart yesterday, the market was fairly quiet in the pre-market session. And following all of the news at 1:30, we see the market not really reacting that much. And then on the open, we see prices being moved lower and then brought back. And again, the 18,000 psychological level there playing its part. You see the market moving higher, then it's back down, and then eventually the buyers take control, move the market up on fresh air, and the market runs out of steam at 18,088. And then eventually we see prices closing back below the 18,050 with the PTI signal there. You see the market going through the scalp target and then down to the 18,000, which is around 37 points at the 18,000 level, where the market's found support on many occasions during the last week. However, on this occasion, you see the market trying to move back, and then eventually prices break through and they move down to the 17,950 level. And then what's interesting here is this price bar at 16:15 at 4:15. You see a 50-point bar there as prices try and attempt to come back to the 17,000 and then drifting all the way back 50 points before hugging the 17,950 level until 1800, 6 o'clock. Then we see the market moving down, and then it's game over for the day, really. So 37 points there. Like I've always said, if you have the money in the first trade for the first hour or so, then just walk away for the remainder of the day. And this is the reason why, because here we see the market starting to find a bit of support and wanting to move higher. We've got a PTI and a triple X, but price is failing to go up towards the scalp area, and then we've got a potential sell there. So you take the loss between these two, 916 and 895 there, which is 21 points, and then you get the short trade here at 10 past 8, which then gives you the 20 points back again. So a break-even situation more or less in the last two trades had you done them, but 37 points on the PTI for the first part of the trading session there. And like I say, if you've made the money in the first part, and because the way the market's working at the moment is it goes very quiet after the first hour, apart from where we see the market break down here in the latter part of the quiet session, and then generally sideways, and this has been the picture for quite some time now. So if profits are made in the first couple of hours, then just walk away and take the profits. There's always another day to actually take more off the table, as opposed to getting too greedy. In the daily chart, you can see that we've slammed through this 17,989. The market now just trying to find some support over from here, which is at 17,918. So 17,900 is the main psychological level for this market. Now that the 18,000 has been taken out, it looks like the market's starting to actually move to the downside, and it's really struggling to actually hold in the highs. On the news front for today, let's have a look. We've got all the non-farm employment out at 1:30, average hourly earnings also out, and FOMC member Dudley is going to speak. High impact news item. He's in the top hierarchy of the Fed along with Yellen, so this one's been noted as a high impact news item, so there could be a bit of volatility around this time. But given the last 4 or 5 Fridays, they've been very quiet in the afternoon session, so we'll just have to wait and see if this livens things up a bit. And finally, in the implied volatility, 12.26 for Thursday's session saw 13.24, up nearly 1%, which could be expected with the market move down 200 points. And that's reflected in the chart there. Right, that's it for me for today. I will see you in Monday's edition of the Market Alert. Have a good weekend. As ever, thank you for your support, and As ever, thanks for watching. I shall see you in the next one.